Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take live photo in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. Live photo means you can take photo, and if there is any motion in the photo, that can be captured, and you can see that in the photo itself. Okay, that's the meaning of live photo. So live action can be captured using photo itself. First, go to the camera in your phone and go to more button, and you will see live photo option. Just click that, and uh, now take a picture. So this is a static picture. If you have some movement like this, that is dynamic picture, and that dynamic effect can be captured in the photo itself. See here, I give the dynamic action to this subject, and now I take a picture. Okay, in the similar way I take another one. For this I would like to take live photo, and now open the picture that you took. Open the picture, and what you have to do is here press and hold to view the dynamic photo. Okay, here live photo text is printed, so this is live photo, and photo can be seen. And to see the live action in the photo, just press and hold the photo, and you will see the live action along with the sound also. Okay, see here. Okay, I see it in the landscape mode. See here clearly. You would like to take live photo. And now take a picture. So in this way, you can easily take a live photo in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.